Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to combine two cells. We want to combine first and last names. So the first method we'll look at is called flash fill. All you have to do is type the first example. Then use Control-Enter to confirm on your keyboard and then Control-E. Second method uses a formula and we're going to use the ampersand symbol in our formula. So we start with pointing to our first name and then we use the ampersand and that joins text values together. So after the first name we would need a space, that needs to go in speech marks, and then another ampersand, and then we're joining it to the last name. And I can copy that down. Next method uses concat. Here we just specify what we want to join together. So it would be A2, then a comma, then a space again in speech marks, then another comma, and then the last name. Close the bracket, press enter, and then I can copy that down. Text join, another function that will do this for you. So here we needed a limiter. So what's going to separate the text values? Well, that's a space, comma, ignore empty, not relevant here. So I'll just put a comma. And then text one would be both our first name and last name. Close the bracket, press enter, and you can copy that down as well.